Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don initiate peace-building process to take resolve the issue between His Royal Majesty Oba Oba II, the Oba of Benin, and one of the suspended Enigies. Obaseki for in talk with Tori people after one meeting with some of the Enigies for Edo South, wey shele for the residence of Professor Gregory Akenzua for Benin City, talk say the meeting dey aimed at understanding the issues wey dey for ground and to make sure say reconciliation dey between the parties wey go lead to withdrawal of the case from court and to promote peace for Edo South. He consi talk say politicians dey attempt to hijack and change the matter wey dey on ground.
Let me state that all of us should be very, very careful that our royalty is a unique inheritance we have as a people. And we must therefore try and preserve it and ensure that we do not allow the corrosive influence of politicians to affect this, our heritage. You can see from the display in Benin City last week that politicians are attempting to hijack and distort the issues at stake. There are real issues, there are fundamental issues which by the grace of God will resolve, but we want to use this medium to appeal to politicians from all shades to please desist from playing politics with the royal family and the palace.
Enigies of Evo Banusa, Professor Gregory Akenzua, commend the governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki, for an attempt to settle the issues wey dey between the palace of the Oba of Benin and some Enigies, and say Obaseki no get hand for the matter wey dey between them.
Contrary to what I'm reading in the press, that it is the governor that has asked us to go to court. The truth is that we have issue with His Majesty, who is the head of the traditional institution. And those issues have to be resolved if any settlement is going to be made. And we welcome any intervention from any source. For the point of correction, we have taken not only His Majesty to court, we've also taken the governor, that is the government, to court. So the issue of people saying that it is the governor using us to fight the traditional institution is completely incorrect. We will address a full press conference on these issues. There are very many issues that have to be resolved before we can agree to any settlement out of court.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.